One. Like a Walmart multiplied by 3. I don't want to. And they have wiped this out. And they are blasting the music, so of course. So I'm gonna try my best to film as much as I can. I'm trying to show as much as I can before the music goes back on. You know, people love playing their music in the stores. Because they say if you hear music, you'll spend more money. I don't know where that came from, but it must be true. You know what these are? Oh, they're bent for cookies. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Man. Got all the Christmas bags, all the gift bags. Gift boxes over here. Area rugs. Welcome mats. My goodness, I've never seen so many holiday welcome mats in my life. Oh my goodness. Got the peanuts here. Man. I've never seen so many Christmas themed welcome mats. This is insane. Man, my mother would love this place again. She would. She absolutely would. Man. She was very creative, especially in the 80s. She would make her own things, especially with ceramics. But this, yeah, she would absolutely spend a few dollars here. One.
lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Man, I'm here at 9:30 in the morning, and I feel like I'm, you know, it's packed. It's packed. It's not packed, but it's pretty busy for it being 9:30 in the morning. My goodness, I underestimated myself, but next time, maybe I'll show up earlier. Again, it's very overwhelming. Very overwhelming. Trust me on that. You're just gonna have to walk in here and check it out for yourself.